Alright guys, January 19th, and this is what I got so far. So, for the less is now minimalism challenge, we need to get rid of 19 items. And anybody who knows me knows I have a giant My Little Pony collection, and my pony room is decorated to look like Fluttershy's cottage. So I made all these accessories you're looking at. This is one of the animal beds in her cottage. This is like a bag of bird feed. And this here is an actual bird house thing for the birds in her show. And I'm all about the details when designing anything, but after having all these in the pony room, they take up a lot of room. And space is very valuable in the pony room, so I decided to get rid of these items. So there's 3, and we need to get to 19. So the boyfriend went through some of his Blu-rays, and he's getting rid of Spider-Man 3, Species. Couldn't even tell you the last time we watched any of these. Tammy. And X-Men Days of Future Past. So those 4 are going. We have a pair of mittens. Old mittens that don't fit my son anymore, and he has a better pair now. Brand new Kiss Destroyer winter hat that's never been worn. Another brand new red Angry Birds hat, never been worn. A winter coat thing from my son. It's too small now. A spring coat thing from my son. It's got a hood. I don't know if you can see that. Again, it's too small. I'm getting rid of one of those plaid t-shirt things. I wear these all the time. I love these things, but I never wear this one. It's actually marked a 3X, but it's so small. I think the tag is wrong, to be honest. Another jacket or a windbreaker that was from my son. Again, too small. It's got a hood, so we're getting rid of that one. And what do you call this? This was actually a winter pajama set. This is the top for it. It's got cute little penguins. And it's super hot though. And I used to wear this under my jean jacket in the winter, but I haven't used it in a few years, so that's going. We have a Halloween costume. You know, the Slender Man stuff? So it's like a morph suit. Like it just, it's all one piece, like this huge bodysuit thing. So that's going. And just to round out 19, 2 of those little, oh, dropped it. 2 of those little clips again. Focus. And this challenge is now really getting difficult because I am down to not much left. Like, we're getting into items that I really have to think about.